next. We come for they next. We come to collect. Did it all on my own, yeah. When it brought it back home, yeah. Now they calling my phone, yeah. But I'm all in my zone. They not a threat. Tell them reset. When they at they best, we still not impressed. Did it all on my own, yeah. When it brought it back home, yeah. Bought a watch with the stones, yeah. Caught them watching my throne, yeah.
Alright guys, you've seen how bad that build looked. Big shout out to SHT, Adam the man. He was our customer, we did his Raptor, Adam did the car for him. However, it doesn't matter if it's Adam or myself, they're all our customers, they all come down here. This is his second car he's built with us from Queensland. We introduced the latest from Nomad. We got the 162s in black. We've also got them in different colors. We've got them in the tint. We got them in the silver. They are pumping out the door. They come in 18s, 15 offset, 35 offset with a load rated of 1,250 kilos. They're a perfect wheel for any vehicle. They clear brakes. And most importantly, if your vehicle doesn't have flares, they also come in that other offset. We are going bonkers. They are going crazy. It's all happening here. I even got a car behind me right now. Got itself another set of Nomad 162s. You want them, let us know. We've got them in stock, ready to go. 17s, 18s for any make, any model. That's a 6 stud. We've got them ready to go. Now this is a massive, massive thank you to Adam from SHC for giving us another go again to build his Ranger. It looks mental.